money, minions. Then slime is like friend, or it could mean that something's really like it's smooth and it's shalalaring. Lawe can mean a lot of things. Lawe could be me, like that girl, that car, you know. Who's it? Means sub. How's it? Yeah. Are we good?
In inside I am. It means like I'm with my girl. Then like when I'm saying like Kishika box, it means like like when you around people, like it shows good, like it shows your presence, good, like when you're present.
Shapa Ka Stina, like okay, Shapa Ka Stina, many people can think or like maybe it's something harmful or like will hit you with a brick. It's not that. It's like taking your girlfriend. Yeah, you use that as taking your girlfriend, yeah.
Okay, fairy. Okay, it means like, okay, sharp. Fairy, Ukraine, yeah, that's my favorite. Like fairy, are you okay? Like sharp. Yeah, that's my favorite.
Ukucamtha, it means talking. Ukucamtha, some say Ukushova, some say, there are so many different kind of names of